From fjord-born blood we gather, bound by oath and flame. Here now the Sons of Lothbrok, we come in Ragnar's name. From ire of the winters, from salt and splintered ore, the sea itself bent to our will as we turned our eyes to shore. They cast our father to the pit, serpents crowned his fate. So England felt our odds arise, too vast, too late to break. Not one blade raised, but many hands, not one king, but war. A storm of suns, a single will, we came to settle scores. We are the Sons of Lothbrok, Ragnar's blood unbound. We crossed the whale road westward to tear their kingdoms down. We are the Sons of Lothbrok, hear the ravens call. From fire and steel a new law born, to all the world's final foe. We stand your bent beneath our boots, their king knelt bound and slain. Northumbria drowned in screaming steel, Jorvik burned in flame. Their prayers broke on shield and axe, their saints stood deaf and still. The gods we serve demand the bold and test the warriors will. Each hoe we took, each crown we broke, carved deeper than before. This was not rain nor fleeting war, we came to claim the shore. We are the Sons of Lothbrok, Ragnar's blood unbound. We crossed the whale road westward to tear their kingdoms down. We are the Sons of Lothbrok, hear the ravens call. From fire and steel a new law born, the old world's final fall. We stood before the last crowned king, a banner yet unbroken. Steel met fate at Edington, where futures turned and tokens. From war comes law, from blood comes soil, from oath comes bitter tears.